I don't believe in spirit guides, you say. Well, let me tell you something, my friend. Spirit guides believe in you. Before you came down to earth through the veil of forgetfulness, you decided on who's going to be your spirit guides. You sat down and decided who's going to guide you through this experience here on earth. And it was someone that you trusted and loved with your life. So coming down here is an experience that you planned. And along the way, the spirit guides are here to guide you through this experience. They are also there to make sure that you hit all the goals that you wanted to hit here on earth. So I'm going to give you an assignment just so that you can see that your spirit guides are here with you. And it's to prove that you do have at least two of them throughout your life. They actually come and go. You have some for specialties, for anything that you are planning to do that they specialize in. So you definitely have at least two spirit guides around you at all times. So we're going to prove it today. And I want you to do this assignment later on and then come back and let me know what happened, okay? But first, hi, I'm Tia, and I am an intuitive healer and the face of Healing Gurl. This channel is all about helping you through your spiritual journey as we discover and heal together. So whether you're here for my how-to videos or my motivational and inspirational chats, my mission is to guide you toward your highest potential and your deepest healing. So welcome to the channel. So what I want you to do today is, before you go to bed, ask your spirit guides to wake you up in the morning, okay? Don't do this on a day that you're hectic and you're trying to get to work or anything. Maybe do it on a Saturday or on a day that you're not in a rush. And I want you to believe that they are there. Don't go in negative, but just see what happens. Ask them to wake you up with an actual physical feeling or actually a noise or something. They know how to wake you up. Trust me, they do. They know how hard you sleep and they know how light you sleep. So ask them to wake you up before a certain specific time. For instance, for myself, I had a video that I needed to do the next day, and I asked my spirit guides, please make sure I don't sleep in too late and sleep too long, because I will sleep long. Even though it's over 8 hours, I will give me a good 10 hours if I can. So they know how to wake me up. And so what they do is they know that I'm a very ticklish person. So they will either tickle me below my belly button area, and it's an actual feeling, like I can feel them going like this to my belly button area, and I will start laughing while I'm waking up. So I know that that's them. Or they will make something drop or make a very loud noise, which will wake me up as well. So I know it's them. So I challenge you to try it for yourself and see whether or not it worked for you. Come back and let me know. But yes, they are real. Whether you accept it or not, they are there for you. And tap in. Those of you that are already in tune, still do this. Some of you watched my how to talk to your ancestors with a dowsing rod. So some of you already in my community use dowsing rods. So go ahead and try this. And if you're struggling with using your dowsing rods, I can help you connect with your spirit guides and find out if it's for you to actually do the dowsing rods at this time, or even the pendulum, or what you as a soul here should be doing with divination tools, if at all, or what you need to do to use divination tools at this time. Maybe you need to raise your vibration a little bit higher. So you can look down in the description box whether or not you need any help with that. You can schedule a session with me to discover what divination tool you should be using. However, I thank all of you for subscribing and liking my videos. I have 500 subscribers right now, and I'm so stoked. I got so much in store for you guys. I'm getting myself amped up. Right now I'm transitioning a lot of things, so I am getting there. But I look forward to seeing you. And please let me know whether or not this worked for you. Take care.